Hi everyone, this is Roger. Today I'm gonna let you know about the widely used boxes in our retail market. Well, we are a packaging company and produce varieties of custom boxes as per our client's requirement. So before moving ahead, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also to hit the bell icon so you may get the notification for our latest packaging informative video. These boxes are widely used in cosmetic companies, medical companies and so on. So here we have two categories of tuck-in boxes, reverse tuck-in and straight tuck-in. The major difference between both boxes is the orientation of the flaps. Straight tuck-in have folding flap exactly in the same position. On the other hand, reverse tuck-in have the folding flaps on the opposite directions as you can see here. We can also customize these tuck-in boxes by adding a tab lock on it. As you can see, the tab lock being added on the top and the bottom of this box. So this is all I have today. I'll back soon with more videos on varieties of box styles so that you may understand the orientation of the boxes in a better way. I hope you like the video.